Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can reset your Pinterest home feed. Keep watching the video till the end. To reset your Pinterest home feed, firstly go ahead and launch open your Pinterest application. The home page of Pinterest application will appear on the screen. Click on human icon at the bottom right corner of the page. You will end up on the profile section of your Pinterest account. Click on little gear icon at the top right side of the page. Now to reset your Pinterest home feed, click on Home Feed Tuner option. Remove all of your pins and interests to reset your Pinterest home feed quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.